Ralph Bagnall here to tell you about my new book, Woodworking in Plastics, from Fox Chapel Publishing. Now, this isn't my first book, but I'm pretty excited because it is going to be our first book launch. The book officially comes out in August 11th of 2026, this year, but at the IWF show in Atlanta in August, we're going to do an official launch and a book signing for this book. Now, this book comes from a seminar that I've done many times in the past at IWF and other shows on working plastics in the wood shop. And we created the book so that everybody can learn the techniques. This book is designed around using the tools and bits and blades that you already own and already use to work with plastics. Freud America and my friends at Fox Chapel, the publishers, we've all gotten together at IWF and we're going to do a book launch and signing. So on Tuesday, August 25th, the first day of the show, I'm going to do the seminar at 11 to 12:30. Anybody taking the seminar will get a copy of the book. But then from 1 to 2:30 on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday during the show, I'll be in the Freud America booth, Building B, booth 6452, signing copies, selling the book, and talking about working with plastics. Come on by, say hello, get a copy of the book. It's going to be a lot of fun, and I've never been able to do this before, so I'm pretty excited about it.